In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove these vertical lines, session breaks in Tradingview. We'll open a chart, identify the vertical line objects cluttering it, and remove them so your view is clean and focused. Start by heading to tradingview.com in your browser. The homepage loads a simple chart layout. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the watch list panel with a list of symbols. Click any symbol you want to work with: stocks, crypto, forex, choose whichever you prefer. This immediately loads that market's price action in the preview chart. Next, expand that view so you have all the tools you need. Click Full Chart. This opens TradingView's full featured chart with the drawing toolbar, settings, and context menus, which makes it easier to manage items sitting on top of your candles. Now hover your mouse over one of the vertical lines you want to remove. When it's a drawing object, it will highlight as you hover, and you may see small anchor points appear. Click directly on the line to select it. You'll know it's selected if it changes color or shows a mini toolbar near the cursor. With the line selected, remove it. You can do this by clicking Remove in the small menu that appears, choosing Remove from the right-click context menu, or by using the trash can icon if you see it. That's all there is to it. One click and the line disappears. If you have several lines, repeat the same click and remove action for each one until your chart is clear. A couple of quick tips as you go. If the line is hard to grab, zoom in a notch or two so your cursor lands precisely on it. If your click is selecting candles instead of the line, keep your mouse on the line itself until you see it highlight, then try again. And if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, delete or backspace will often remove a selected line just as quickly. If the vertical lines came from a saved layout or a shared template, don't worry, removing the lines won't change your indicators or your price history. It only deletes those markers. And if you remove something by mistake, use undo to bring it back right away. The time frame you're on doesn't change this process. That's the full process. Go to TradingView, pick a symbol, open the full chart, click the vertical line and remove it. Keep your workspace clean by removing only the lines you don't need, leaving any useful markings in place. Thanks for watching and enjoy a clutter-free chart.